na-inspired ang kanya. Kasi hindi mo tumagal ng recognition ay malaking bagay po yun. Nakakapagpasigla ng energy at power. Thank you. God bless.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much, former president. Okay, thank you very much now. Let's proceed. May we call on our next performer, Mr. John Rendes. Sir John. All right. Let's prepare for this spectacular performance. Brother John.
Something that I love, living in this world as it is tough. But let me take your hand, babe. Do you know where we're broken through pain, but you still remain strong in your mind and you got another hand, a helping hand. Whenever you're fighting the demons inside you, don't love. Superman, but I'm gonna save you. I can be something that I'm not. Living, but I'm gonna save you. I can be something that I'm not. Just be someone super out there for you. Looking out for you. Looking out for us.
That was wonderful performance, sir.
Okay, now we are going to proceed to one of our important part of this event for tonight, Athena.
Yes, and what are we looking forward after this, sir?
We are looking forward to recognize, of course, our world-class national artists. Let's move on to a special moment to honor a luminary whose name is synonymous to Philippine showbiz excellence. This is no other than our very own and the one and only superstar, Miss Nora Honor. Superstar has been named a national artist for film, an honor celebrated by her multitude of devoted fans. After years of anticipation, President Duterte finally proclaimed her as national artist, recognizing her exceptional contributions to Philippine cinema. Nora Honor, born Nora Cabandera Villamayor, has left an indelible mark on the film industry with unforgettable performances in films like Tatlong Taong Walang Diyos, Himala, and Dai Wo. With over 200 acting nominations and awards, she stands as one of the most acclaimed actors in the Philippines and beyond. This esteemed recognition comes after a lifetime of dedication to the craft and numerous accolades, including the prestigious Gawad CCB for Film and Broadcast Awards. Her talents have resonated internationally, and her selection as a national artist is a long-awaited testament to her legacy. Again, our superstar, Miss Nora Honor. national artist. Let us all recognize our performer, John Rendes. May we call on you on stage to give you our recognition from WCJ.
Thank you, Ma'am Emma Cordero. Thank you, Direct Obed Serrano. Thank you for the second year of being an awardee for WCEJA. Maraming salamat po. Nakakataba po ng puso.
Patuloy pong maghari ang kapayapaan at kaunlaran, pagkakaisa sa ating inang bayan. Kung meron mang ilang nanggugulo, hayaan na natin sila. Pagpatuloy po natin ang pagkakaisa. Buhay po ang PAW, mabuhay kayo lahat, mabuhay ang sambayanang Pilipinas.
Kahit sa lang sumali. Sabi ko sa tatawag ko isa.
And now we are proceeding to another very gorgeous personality in the industry. May we present to you Miss Liza De Castro. The best actress in the TV series The Seed of Love.
Ito, sa'yo ito. Teka, baka ko muna. Sis, tingnan mo. Hanggang live ka ba?
In 2023, the Kapuso Network aired from May to November the series of The Seed of Love, which had something to do with in vitro fertilization of an egg cell that allows a woman to give birth to a baby. It is for that rare television series that the WCJ is bestowing the award Best Actress in a TV series to the excellent actress, Miss Liza De Castro.
Yes.
Hello, magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Maraming salamat po sa World Class Excellence Awards, Japan Awards. Thank you so much for this recognition. Actually, first award ko to for The Seed of Love. Alam ko po na hindi masyadong normal na magkwento about in vitro fertilization. Pero nagpapasalamat ako sa GMA Network for giving me an opportunity to tell the story of Aileen. And maraming salamat po sa lahat po ng sumuporta sa show namin. At congratulations po sa lahat ng mga awardees tonight. It is such an honor to be awarded with such an amazing and incredible people in the industry. So, maraming salamat po. God bless you po sa inyong lahat.
Once again, Miss Liza De Castro. Let's give her a round of applause.
Okay, now to proceed, may we call on the Best Supporting Actor in TV Series, Abot Kamay na Pangarap, from GMA 7. So may we call on Mr. Alquis Galura. Mr. Alquis Galura, for some mysterious reasons, some support actors seem to be ignored by award-giving bodies, but the WCJ is proud to recognize and honor an outstanding actor who is underrated by award-giving bodies. With so much pride, we present to you Alquis Galura as Best Supporting Actor in TV Series, specifically the well-followed Abot Kamay ang Pangarap at the Kapuso Network GMA 7.
po, magandang gabi. Sa mga hindi po nakakilala sa akin, ako po si Alcris Calura. Sobrang thank you na ma-recognize ka sa ganito kasi ayun nga, hindi mo naman siya ginagawa for recognition. Ginagawa ko lang siya dahil gusto ko siya. So, salamat po ng maraming. Kaya magandang gabi po sa inyo. Thank you po. Salamat.
Okay, thank you very much, Mr. Alcris Calura, for having the best supporting actor in TV series. Now, okay, now it's let's have a time check. It's already 9 o'clock in the evening. And of course, we are all very hungry as we are all craving for our dinner. So, Athena,
Yes,
let
sir.
us announce that we can now have
Finally, a sumptuous dinner.
our dinner buffet. But first, of course, we are going to do this as organized as possible. So, we are going to proceed to our buffet table, per table also, as instructed. We will start
With
from table number 1.
one.
Am I right, Joe? Where's table number 1? From table 1, 2, and 3, and so on and so forth. I'll see you.
Okay, 1, 2. Okay.
Ate Ga, you're one.
Okay. Ay, isa pa. Kayo, di ba? Okay. Sige. 1, 2.
Kuya Lar.
Oh, Dok. Kayo naman din.
Ate Jem, lagyan ko to ng caption, the most photographed woman of the night. Okay,
Yun. Ayun. Ate Guy, congratulations. National, People's National Artist. And of course, our national artist.